There you go. Good. Calm, calm. And ask for it. Tip and ask for it. Yeah, ask for it. There you go. Good, Jen. Good, Jen. Good. And again, set him up. Right leg back. Good boy, Miles. 1, 2. Very nice. S curve. Be a little quicker.
Oh, crap.
That's okay.
I'm going to do it anyway.
Okay, yeah. Wait, calmly. Leg on, leg. Oh, tight.
That worked.
Yeah, good. Okay, he understands what it is. You didn't get the back. Good, pet him. He switched. Okay, watch out. Straight. He's a little crooked. Yeah, there you get her. 1, 2, 3. Good, very good. Set him up. Drive forward. It's nice. It's becoming natural for him. Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Good job. Give him a pat.